Hello beautiful friends, thank you so much for clicking on this video and you're so welcome to our channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make green tea for hair growth. So these are the products that we're going to use. We're going to use green tea, spray bottle, strainer, funnel, and a few balls. So like I'm using this green tea. So like green tea comes in different types. Yes, so this is the specific one that I'm going to use, that is for healthy green tea. Yes, so like there's been a lot of chatter about using green tea for hair loss and the potential DHT blocker. So many people have used green tea to reverse their hair loss problems, attribute the effects to the high levels of antioxidants after ways in which it could contribute to hair growth and prevent of hair loss. It improves circulation of hormones and improves blood flow. It helps inhibit testosterone production and interferes with the commission of DHT, and it also contains a potent antioxidant called EGCG. So like that is how our tea looks. So you have to put them like in a bowl or a jar, and then you put some boiling or hot water. Yes, so now you have to make sure that you wait for your green tea to infuse. So we are just like waiting. As you can see, the vapor is coming out, showing that it's really hot. Yes, so now you have to wait. So like we are waiting. Yes, and some people like drink green tea for hair growth. We haven't yet tried that. Yes, so like now our tea is ready. As you can see, like the beaker, the tea is so hot, so you don't have to like put it straight into your spray bottle. So like I normally transfer my tea from a heat resistant beaker to a plastic jar. I find that it cools quickly. Yes, like so. So just be patient enough. Yes, so like our tree has cooled, so we're just transferring it in our spray bottle. So like I didn't even use a strainer because there was no need. So you can use this tea as a final rinse after washing your hair or after deep conditioning your hair, or you can use it as a leave-in, like a spray bottle or a spray on. Yes, or a hairspray mist, green tea hairspray mist. So now at this point, because we don't want any microbial and bacterial, to be found to start crawling in our product, we are adding 1% of our natural preservative. So like, dear friends, I really appreciate my 21 subscribers and to all those people that watch my videos. So like I've been in a protective hairstyle for, I think it's been 5 days now. So I never undid this hairstyle which I did because I didn't want to manipulate my hair so much, and I didn't want like to unravel my hair. So I just had to spray it the way it is without touching it or manipulating it. So like for you to see growth, you have to be consistent like using this. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye bye. See you in my next video.